stop. Do not sign anything. Do not wire any deposit money. Do not close on any house until you watch this video first. Sarah saved $85,000 over 7 years, skipped vacations, drove the same car for a decade, finally had enough for her dream home deposit. Then the market moved, and in 60 days, that deposit was gone. This is not just Sarah's story. This is happening to real Americans right now, and nobody is warning them before they sign the papers. My name is Jack, and today I am going to show you exactly why your deposit is at risk. The average American home price in 2026 is $428,000. Not a mansion, not luxury. That is the average. A 3-bedroom house with a yard. To buy it, you need 20% down. That is $85,600 in cash. Most Americans have been saving that for years, and right now, that money is sitting in a market that is starting to crack. In 2020, mortgage rates were at 3%. Houses were flying. People paid $50,000 over asking just to get in. Then rates jumped to 7 and 8% by 2023. The math stopped working. A $400,000 home at 3% costs $1,686 per month. The same home at 7% costs $2,661. Same house. Nearly $1,000 more every single month. So people stopped buying, people stopped selling, the market froze, inventory stayed low, prices stayed high. Millions of Americans kept waiting on the sidelines, saving their deposits, hoping things would change. Now in 2026, cracks are appearing. Mortgage delinquencies are rising. Foreclosure filings are up 22% from last year. When foreclosures increase, supply increases. When supply increases, prices fall. The home you agreed to buy last month might be worth $30,000 less by closing day. You signed at $420,000. You put down $20,000. Now the house is worth $380,000. The bank will not lend the full amount, and in many contracts, you lose that deposit entirely. That is not a hypothetical. That is happening right now. And then there are tariffs, lumber, steel, aluminum. The National Association of Home Builders says tariffs add $9,200 to the cost of every new home. So builders are building less new supply coming in, more foreclosures flooding the market, prices getting squeezed from both directions at the same time. This is not a normal market. This is a market held together by low inventory, and that dam is starting to break. So what do you do right now? 3 things. 1. Do not rush. Panic buying because you think prices will go back up is the biggest mistake Americans are making. The data does not support it. Patience is a strategy. 2. If you are already under contract, get a new appraisal immediately. If it comes in below your contract price, you have legal rights to renegotiate or walk away with your deposit. Do not skip this. It could save you tens of thousands. 3. Park your deposit in a high-yield savings account earning 4 to 5% while you wait. 6 to 12 months of waiting could earn you $2,000 to $4,000 in interest. Do not leave that on the table. This is not 2008. It is not a complete collapse overnight, but it is not the stable market your real estate agent is describing either. There are real cracks, real risks, real Americans losing real money, including deposits saved over years of sacrifice. You saved that money. You worked for it. You deserve to know what you are walking into before you sign anything. Now you do. Share this with someone who is about to close, because they need to see this before it is too late.